I want you to imagine something. A version of you who is confident, focused, energetic, and in full control of his mind. Now ask yourself, why are you not that person yet? Because something small, something private, is stealing your discipline every single day. But from today, that will change if you follow these 5 simple habits. Habit 1. Control your first hour of the day. Your morning decides your mind. If the first thing you do is scroll, isolate, or lie in bed, you lose the day before it even starts. Wake up, move, drink water, step outside, because a strong morning creates a strong mind. Habit 2. Build distance from triggers. Addiction doesn't start with action, it starts with access. A phone in your bed, a lonely room, a late night scroll. Remove the opportunity and you weaken the addiction, not by fighting harder, but by making it harder to fail. Habit 3. Replace pleasure with progress. Your brain is chasing dopamine. If you don't give it a healthy source, it will choose the easiest one. So replace it. Work out instead of scrolling, learning instead of isolation, building instead of escaping. Pain of discipline is temporary. Pain of regret lasts longer. Habit 4. Master the 10-minute rule. When the urge hits, don't panic, don't fight, don't surrender. Just say, I will wait 10 minutes. Then move your body, walk, do push-ups, breathe, because urges are like waves. If you don't act on them, they disappear. Habit 5. Become honest with yourself. This is the hardest one, not motivation, not discipline, but honesty. Track your patterns. When do you fall? Why do you fall? What triggers you? Because you cannot fix what you refuse to see. This is not just about quitting porn. This is about becoming someone stronger than your impulses. Because one day, you will either thank yourself for the discipline you built or regret the control you lost. The choice is yours.